Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your iPad to a projector. More specifically, I'm going to show you how to connect newer iPads that have the USB-C port. So to connect your iPad to the projector, you're going to need four things. Obviously, you're going to need the projector and your iPad. You're going to need an HDMI cable. And lastly, you're going to need this Apple USB-C multi-port adapter that has the HDMI input. So in this video, we're going to be connecting our iPad via HDMI. So if you go and look on your projector, unless it's a really old projector, you should see an HDMI input. This is what it looks like right here. But obviously we can't directly connect an HDMI cable into an iPad, so we're going to need an adapter. The adapter that I highly recommend you use is this official Apple USB-C multi-port adapter. The reason I recommend the official Apple one over the third-party adapters is because a lot of those third-party adapters are really poorly built. They just won't even work right out of the box. Also, Apple likes to update the iPad a lot, and sometimes the updates will make third-party adapters and devices incompatible. So if you get the official Apple adapter, you'll know it'll pretty much always work. If you want to check it out or get it for yourself, I'll leave a link to it at the top of the description. So what you'll want to do is go and plug the HDMI cable into your projector, then plug the other end of the cable into the adapter, and then plug the adapter into your iPad. Another cool thing about this adapter is if your iPad battery gets low while you're using it, you can plug your charging cable into this USB-C port and charge it up. Alright, so once you connect your iPad, your projector's input may automatically change to HDMI, but you may need to change the input manually like me, so all I'm going to do is come over to the side here and select HDMI. And then there you go, you can see my iPad being displayed here, and you can use it to watch movies, play games, watch videos, give presentations, whatever. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.